Hi there, my name is Ryan Kress. I've been disabled pretty much my whole life. I contracted polio from the vaccine when I was 2 months old. I started hunting when I was 8 years old. We moved out to the country and me and my dad started hunting together. Hunting allows me to feel a bit of normalcy in my life. It allows me to feel some freedom. It gives me the opportunity to just forget about my disability for a while. The biggest challenges I face would be getting up into an elevated shooting position, such as a tree stand, getting my equipment and myself off the ground. That's the biggest issue that I have hunting. Being able to go to an elevated shooting position in a hunting blind by myself, it's priceless. There really aren't many words I can use to describe it.